Welcome to Phone Transformer. In today's video, we're showing you exactly how to turn off commercial sounds on TikTok so you can get full access to all the sounds available. Now let's get started. Step 1. First, unlock your phone and open the TikTok app. Make sure you're logged into the correct account before moving forward. This ensures the settings you change apply to the right profile. Step 2. In the main menu, look down at the center of your screen and tap the plus icon. Once you do that, look at the top of the screen and select the Add Sound option. You'll notice that TikTok is currently showing you commercial sounds. Step 3. Now, exit back to the home screen of the app. Then, tap on the profile icon located in the bottom right corner to open your profile section. Step 4. On your profile page, look at the top right corner and click on the 3 horizontal lines. This opens the main settings menu. Scroll down and tap on the Settings and Privacy option to continue. Step 5. In this menu, scroll again until you see Account Settings and tap on it. Right now, your account is set to a business account, which is why you're seeing commercial sounds only. To turn this off, tap on Switch to Personal Account, and then confirm the action when prompted. Step 6. Once you've switched to a personal account, go back to the Profile section again. From there, tap on the plus icon just like before, then click Add Sound at the top. This time, the commercial sounds option is no longer there. That means you've successfully turned off commercial sounds on TikTok. Thanks for watching and please subscribe to the channel.